went MISHIMOTO on this one.
Pablo, you crazy for this one.
Welcome back to the channel. Finally got the spacers for the EcoBoost. These are some MISHIMOTO spacers. I got 1.25 inch. This is a 1 inch. Alright, so I loosened up the lug nuts before I lifted it. Now that it's lifted, I'm gonna fully remove the lug nuts and the wheel. Alright, so this is the 1.25 inch spacer. And this is probably what I'm gonna leave in the rear and see what it looks like after I install it. So you're going to want to get some thread lock. And now we're just ready to mount the spacers on. So you're going to want to use the lug nuts that came with the spacer. And I already went ahead and put them on. Alright, we got the spacer on. Alright, so we got the spacers on and the car looks a lot meaner. The stance is just more aggressive, beefier in the back, especially with the Mickey Thompson. I went ahead and put the 1 inch spacer in the front and the 1.25 inch in the rear. But yeah, if you want to get some spacers, I recommend them. As far as performance goes, I don't see a big difference. A wider stance probably just grips on more to the road, kind of having a wider tire.